सारे जहां से अच्छा है हिंदुस्तां हमारा.
Let me elaborate. It is basically five-fold certainties which are being promised through this project. First certainty of reporting and cognizance. If you recall, this National Police Mission itself is struggling with one of a coordination mechanism, whereby largely it is about the West Bengal government, where the report is coming from BSF, ITBP, SSB, and it is signed by a very senior officer and the accused as well as animals, they have been handed over to the police. And if we go by the status given by Mr. Santosh Mehra, he very categorically said that cognizance has been taken almost in only 8% of cases. So when responsible officers are reporting along with the assets, along with the accused, still you have police is at the liberty not to register it. So is it a rule of law? It is not question of detection, it's question of reporting. So in my case, ये अभी हाँ पेड बाय में कर देंगे बाद में, अभी थोड़ी देर से कर देंगे. So it is first column we have to talk about reporting, whether we are reporting 100% of cases, and when we are having the provision that if somebody is reporting false case, then he can be prosecuted under section 182 and 211 of IPC. Now, how much leeway we want to give to the police? Where in Lalita Kumari versus State of UP, Apex Code has come out very categorically that if your reports convey that cognizable offence has been committed, police having no authority but to register the offence. But the ground reality is day by day becoming very, very difficult. Hence, should we promise certain certainties to the public? If they are talking something, some cognizable offence is being reported, how many cases we are not just registering? Is it rule of law? Is it a failure of constitutional machinery? So what I am trying
Sir,
to
I am not disputing these statements, and in theory, what you say is correct. But please tell me how having a device in the hand of the investigating officer or the SHO, which is either a PDA or a smartphone, improves the situation.
no, it will improve. We are saying we are providing 5-pronged strategy for reporting itself. Say in Madhya Pradesh, all police stations they are having CCTVs. Now we're just putting one microphone, so FIR could be supported with the digital copy of FIR also. Number one. Same thing could be with the 100 number also. I made one presentation in NCRB, and Director NCRB has made a request to me that FIR captured through app, whether it can be routed and could be converted into an FIR, and I have been formally requested by Director NCRB to submit a proof of concept on that on the basis of Madhya Pradesh, and we are working on that. so that through the digital device, various I mean optical signature and other signature, they could come right along with the FIR, and then it could be routed through the citizen portal to the CCTNS and on the top box of or the desktop of Thanedar, where he should examine the detail given, because it is a formal complaint along with the digital signature, photograph, date and time, location, and everything, including digital signature also. Now, the moment station house officer he puts his digital signature over there, it will become FIR. At present, after even after the expenditure of more than 3,500 crore in CCTNS, FIR is not being registered through the CCTNS.
Sir,
It is.
sir, we are again okay. We are going to get diverted into some other
No, we are
discussion on
not.
the. No, sir. Please let me. Let's see. So the thing is, the reason why we always get tagged on with this CCTNS and the FIR business is that till today we have tackled FIR as both as a legal and a legal document as well as an operational document. The dial 100 data is very close to the reality and what is actually the level of crime. There are, of course, a lot of crimes which don't even get reported on dial 100, like economic crimes and stuff like that. Leave it aside for the time being. If you talk about violent and property crime, at least of things which concern the public more, then they are dial 100 data is very close. And yet, dial 100 data is never used by the police department, which can be very easily used, for which your project is not required, sir. The dial 100 data is sufficient to convert into FIR without any discretion on part of police. But the problem is that we are using the same document as both an operational document as well as a legal document. And the NCRB, which has the CCTNS, which has been designed by IT professionals, treats every FIR exactly in the same manner, whether it's an offense under 324 IPC or whether it's an offense of mass terrorism. Both require the same amount of fields, the same amount of data inputting, which is a humongous job. If dial 100 data was to be converted to FIRs in legal terminology, then it will become a humongous task for our resources. See, sir, I am not having any dispute, as I keep on saying, with the overall vision of what you want to say is that ideally speaking, starting from reporting to the recording to the investigation to the prosecution to the follow-up, it should be a seamless functionality. And the more connection which you give to the either the SHO or to the IO with least amount of discussion, it makes for less amount of leakage and it makes for better prosecution. But the problem which I have been asking you from the very beginning is the entire project, it's very clear, either a smartphone or a PDA in the hand of the officer. And the amount of data which you are, the backend which you expect. Sir, most of the problems are we are having legal bottlenecks and statutory bottlenecks. Most of the data which you are asking is either faulty or it's not accessible to you as on date. How can you call it a project? It's only an essay. It cannot be called a project.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
You tell me, sir, how you are saying that you will access Aadhaar data, sir?
No, I am not saying anything. I am saying we are using already available legal means to SHO and enabling him to do smart job, smart work. Even the requisition, what kind of the requisitioning is required, backend historical data would help him to requisition that data. And that data, he is having the legal power. It is not driven by the pleasure of you, me, or telecom service provider or anybody. He is requisitioning the power under the legal investigative power, which is available with him under 91 CRPC. And a properly designed requisition is going to the authority, because he is not compiling data sake of compiling. He is investigating, and this backend tool would be helping him right from the registration, in investigation, fetching the evidence wherever they are sitting. And
so please tell me.
No, just a minute. Who is fetching that evidence? That evidence is being fetched under the legal authority. So what I am saying, it is not shifting of the power. It is not question of somebody else is taking the power. There is a need, somebody should support poor SHO. Now he is struggling with everything. उसको जो है ना FIR रजिस्ट्रेशन से लेके अभी आपका सिस्टम TTNS का ऐसा है कि आधा घंटे लगते हैं उसको FIR दर्ज करने में. Why जो है, the content of it cannot be routed through a number of means. So I propose that even FIR could be registered through the 5 way. I mean, Thana is one, FRB could be the second, and they can be certainly converted into proper FIR also, because the content can be better जो है ना collected, better than police officer. It could be collected through the chatbot, through the virtual police station, through the so now we could be having 5 options for getting FIR collected. Number 1, Thana is 1, FRB could be second, then the web portal could be third. And very smart. Today only I spoke to Vice Chancellor, National Law Institute of Institute University Bhopal, and we are constituting various teams so that backend intelligence should make it sure that we should be in position to extract all attribute of FIR, which and a proper section should be applied. Now, I can interest you. You go through the FIR which are being registered in your own state, Telangana, and just you try to see how many the content and the section applied. Sometimes they are not in coherence. So I mean, we are doing a very poor and unprofessional job. We are saying कि हम सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. That is not true. बहुत अच्छा करने टेक्नोलॉजी यूज हो सकती है.
Sir, I never said that we are doing a excellent job or that is not the comment here. Please मेरी बात समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. आपकी जो प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट थी, मैं आई एम ट्राइंग टू लिमिट माई सेल्फ टू दिस एंड प्लीज आई एम नॉट कॉमेंटिंग एट ऑल ऑन द करेक्टनेस और रॉन्गनेस ऑफ व्हाट यू आर सेइंग. आई एग्री विथ व्हाट यू आर सेइंग. मैं खाली इतना कह रहा हूँ कि जो प्रोजेक्ट है, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे if you are expecting that as on today we will be having the system fetching data from different authorities. मेरा लिमिटेड पॉइंट ये है कि आज की तारीख में बहुत सारी अथॉरिटीज हमसे ये डेटा शेयर नहीं करेंगी.
I am saying whatever is admissible under section 91, they are legally bound to share.
आप मुझे ये बताइए ना सर, फिर सेक्शन कौन से ऐसे अथॉरिटीज हैं जो डेटा देने को तैयार हैं, बताएं आप.
We will requisition a particular set of data which is required for that particular investigation. It will go under proper requisition under 91 CRPC duty signed by थाना प्रभारी.
सर मैं आपसे फिर कह रहा हूं कि प्राइवेसी लॉस के कारण आज की तारीख में, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने देखा है वी कैन नॉट गेट डेटा फ्रॉम द
आज केस में जिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए आपको आईपी डिटेल चाहिए होता है, मिलता नहीं मिलता है. आपको इन्वेस्टिगेशन डीआर मिल रही नहीं मिली है, इन्वेस्टिगेशन बीएलआर मिल रहा है नहीं मिल रहा है, इन्वेस्टिगेशन पीएसटीएन मिल रहा है नहीं मिल रहा है. हमें तो सब मिल रहा है, आपको भी मिल रहा हो. आई एम वेरी श्योर यू मस्ट बी डूइंग इट.
सर उसके लिए आपको इस प्रोजेक्ट की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं ये कह रहा हूं.
लेकिन हम ये कह रहे हैं कि अभी थाना प्रभारी को मालूम ही नहीं कि क्या रिक्विजिशन करना है. यदि हम उसको बैकएंड मदद कर रहे हैं, सब इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो है ना आ जाए और सब कन्विक्शन हो जाए तो क्या दिक्कत है? व्हाई शुड नॉट बी टू हेल्प हिम आउट? क्यों हरा हवलदार परेशान होता रहे?
मैं कहाँ कह रहा हूँ कि वो परेशान होता रहे सर. मैं तो
larger system can help that poor investigating officer. Why you are having objection to it? We are not doing a good job. We are not doing a good supervisory job also. How many cases are being properly supervised? Why we cannot analyze the data, historical data? Ultimately, how we reach to a criminal? Either जो है ना we use the historical data or we use data from the scene of crime.
सर right? मुझे लगता है कि आप मेरी बात को दूसरी तरीके से ले रहे हैं. अनुपमा जी, कैन आई जस्ट एड्रेस यू? अनुपमा जी, आई थिंक कि दिस इज गोइंग बैक एंड फोर्थ. सर को लग रहा है कि हम उनकी मैं उनकी बात को समझ नहीं रहा हूँ, या हम लोग वी आर जस्ट एक्टिंग एज मतलब कि सम काइंड ऑफ ऑब्सक्यूरेंटिक कंजर्वेटिव काइंड ऑफ पीपल. लेकिन मेरा कंसर्न कुछ और है. मुझे लगा कि टीके वीके भी शायद वही बात कह रहे हैं. अगर वो होते तो शायद और क्लैरिटी आ जाती. खैर, मुझे ये लग रहा है कि दिस बीपीआरएनडी को अगर ये लगता है कि ये प्रोजेक्ट है और करना चाहिए तो प्लीज बाईपास अस, बिकॉज सीनियर ऑफिसर के साथ में ये कंटिन्यूसली ये टू एंड फ्रो, ये नाइदर इट इज प्रॉपर नॉर इट इज अप्रोप्रिएट. तो मैं जो बोलना चाह रहा हूँ वो शायद मेरी बात मतलब कि ठीक से मैं कन्वे नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. आई वुड लाइक टू विड्रॉ फ्रॉम दिस. थैंक यू.
Anupama ji, let's discuss it so that it should remain on video. Basically, why he is saying that project is it is not a project. Whether supporting,
उनके
whether
उनके चार
I,
कंसर्न्स थे सर जो उन्होंने पहले भी
additional PG Saab is here, so I think let's hear him. Uh, Mr. Santosh Mehra, good afternoon, and you are welcome for this peer group review. And for the same reason, Mr. VKTK has also not come. बिकॉज दे आर सेइंग कि सब कुछ तो अवेलेबल है. सब कुछ यदि अवेलेबल है तो पुलिस अच्छा तो नहीं कर रही है ना. पुलिस जो है ना FIR रजिस्टर कर रही है. यदि फरियादी भी कहता है कि साहब बगल में CCTV लगा हुआ है और उसका CCTV का फुटेज ले लीजिए, हमारा थानेदार समटाइम विल मेक इट श्योर कि वो जब तक ओवर रिटर्न ना हो जाए तब तक वो रिक्विजिशन ही नहीं करेगा. देन ही विल पुट ए सर्टिफिकेट कि साहब क्या करें, हमने रिक्विजिशन किया, नाउ दैट वीडियो फुटेज इज नॉट अवेलेबल. So there is a problem at all five ends. Number one, at the end of the reporting, there is at the end of the investigation, there is the end of the say supervision, and then packaging the same before the court of law. So we are talking to help everyone. We are talking about. What I feel that what problem they are having, I really fail to understand. Because
Sir,
I try
they
to be,
have raised those questions to which you have replied. So those
okay.
4 points of Mr. Umesh Saraf to which you have replied, and then Sri TK Vinod Kumar also has raised points that it is a very general project. There is no specificity. So and to that also you have
क्या
replied.
क्या स्पेसिफिसिटी नहीं है. रिपोर्टिंग के लिए अपन 5 मॉड्यूल तरीके के ऑप्शन दे रहे हैं पब्लिक को. एंड इवन जो गांव के लोग, गंवाड़ी लोग हैं, जिनके पास माइक्रोफोन नहीं है, जिनके पास स्मार्टफोन नहीं, जिनके पास कोई टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है, community can reach out to them and can help them accessing the same technology, and FIR could be registered. And the same FIR then along with the signature and the details can be routed to the CCTNS right on the desktop of Thana Pravari. Then along with the all proof, you will be having a legal task to not sign on it or refuse, and if he should have the sufficient reason to refuse, because things will be available in digital format and right will be available on the CCTNS platform. So then he cannot shirk his responsibility of not registering. Mr. Mehra is here, and we are with Mr. Mehra for last more than 3 years and on a project which he was trying to really make out that despite the fact that he is handing over culprit, he is handing over animals, and still despite that fact, only 8% cases are being registered by the police. So is it a rule of law, or is it a constitutional failure of machinery? And why we are not really want to help our IO? Why we don't want to help our head constable? Why we do not want to arm him with a holistic technology so that everything should flow to him? It's the technology is not taking decision. Technology is not replacing your IO. Technology is just helping out you in your all job, including creating certificate of integrity, certificate of admissibility, certificate of chain of custody. Majority of the cases, these are challenged in the court of law, and that get converted into this. So I would like to make a request that we can discuss out one by one. He has raised the issue, and then we can objectively examine, because raising issue is his part. We are not supposed to convince anybody. It's not for conviction. It is just question of whether that part has been properly answered or it has not been answered. Because even the objections are all very, very big. Let me tell you what the project envisages: the use of number of technology. Many of the forensic technologies are already in use. What does it mean? Are we using the fully? Are everything is being done seamlessly? Whether it is being packaged and reaching to the court properly? I would like to share my own case. I was SP Bhopal, and there was accident in which son of one of very senior IPS officer, he died. And since I was SP, I personally supervised that case, and we could connect which vehicle was responsible for hitting him. It was a police vehicle. We could establish through that change of pant and everything. And finally, a day जो है the senior officer he reached to office of my IG and he said कि सर जो है वो बाते साहब आए हैं, हमारे IG ने हमको फोन लगाया कि साहब बाते साहब आए हुए हैं, वो थोड़ा सा दुखी है। हमने कहा सर क्यों दुखी है, वो तो केस मैंने खुद इन्वेस्टिगेट किया था और उसके वो इट इज ए वेरी साइंटिफिक जो ना प्रूफ के साथ में है। और वी बुक्ड अवर व्हीकल जो कि हमारी बटालियन की गाड़ी थी जिससे एक्सीडेंट हुआ था। सो ही सेड कि साहब उनका कहना ये है कि उनका जो है स्टेटमेंट भी नहीं लिया गया। नाउ दिस इज द पुलिस इज डूइंग कि एक सीनियर आईपीएस ऑफिसर का जो है स्टेटमेंट भी हम 161 के तहत ठीक ढंग से नहीं लेना चाहते हैं। फॉरगेट अबाउट पब्लिक। नाउ जब हमने आईजी से बात होने के बाद जब हमने उसको केस का चालान मंगाया तो आई गॉट सरप्राइज। जिस केस को एसपी ने खुद सुपरवाइज किया हो, साइंटिफिक एविडेंस खुद कलेक्ट किए हो, उनमें से कोई भी साइंटिफिक एविडेंस चालान के साथ पेश नहीं किया गया। हमारी पुलिस है और मैं अपने ही केस की बात कर रहा हूं जिस जिले में मैं खुद एसपी था एंड उसका कंप्लेनेंट जो है और विक्टिम वाज सन ऑफ सीनियर आईपीएस ऑफिसर। तो मेरा ये कहने का मतलब है कि our system is working despite the fact a lot of technological changes has taken place, but हम अभी भी जो है ना ट्रेडिशनल रूटीन वे में चल रहे हैं। हमारे जो है ना citizens that are suffering now, getting FIR registered is becoming very challenging day by day and it has become a matter of celebration। यदि किसी की FIR लिख ली जाए, उसको वो जो है ना नेता से लेके ब्यूरोक्रेट से लेके जितने भी और पत्रकार को लेके किसी ना किसी को पकड़ता है और रिक्वेस्ट करता है कि साहब मेरी एफआईआर लिख जाए। आर वी लिविंग इन द कंट्री ऑफ रूल ऑफ लॉ एंड वी आर रिफ्यूजिंग के साथ की क्या जरूरत है, उसकी क्या जरूरत है, क्यों जरूरत नहीं है? Why that poor head constable और ASI और सब इंस्पेक्टर शुड रियली जो है फेड फॉर एवरीथिंग, वो जो है ना वो खुद सब चीजों से स्ट्रगल करे, उसको समझ भी नहीं है। वाई द बैकएंड टेक्नोलॉजी शुड नॉट हेल्प। एंड आप ये कह रहे हैं कि कौन शेयर करेगा, क्यों शेयर नहीं करेगा? आज के दिन से ये सब डाटा हमको नहीं मिल रहे हैं क्या? एंड वी आर नॉट, हम मुफ्त में थोड़ी मांग रहे हैं। वी आर नॉट नॉट नेट ग्रिड के सभी के डाटा हम कैप्चर कर रहे हैं। वी आर नॉट डूइंग दैट। इन आवर केस वी विल बी इशूइंग ए स्पेसिफिक डिजिटल रिक्विजिशन अंडर 91 CRPC which is based on the investigative analysis. The only thing our high technology is trying to help the person to do that job. मेहरा जी क्या कहना है आपका? हम आपको सुनना चाहते हैं। Because Mr. Umesh has very rightly said कि उनका जो है ना जिस तरीके से गोलमोल बात करके it
You connected, sir?
not even ready to discuss.
वीडियो सब दिख रहा है।
एडिशनल डी साहब चले गए हैं क्या? क्या हो गया?
Sir, connectivity is very poor, sir. He is trying and he gets connected and disconnected.
But what I feel that it is really very high time that we should discuss things threadbare way. Let's try to reinforce our processes, and we are not talking anything very supreme. It is a very well-tested technologies which need to be put together, and ultimately IOs are making all the judgments. And where that IO is not in position to make a judgment, we can even push the whole before the expert job.
Sir, am I audible now, sir?
Yeah, you are certainly audible.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. You are audible.
Sir, the weather is bad here. Maybe there is some connectivity problem.
हाँ, कुछ तो लग रहा है, कुछ लग रहा है।
It is raining outside, sir.
हाँ हाँ।
यही सब कुछ है। ये MP से, MP स्टेट से। Sir.
Yeah. So Debraji, how are you?
I am good, sir. I am sorry for this inconvenience. We never expected this problem will crop up because the technicians were not. They were doing it for the first time. I mean, from outside, on Google Net.
But otherwise it's a very well tested and we are doing it every day, so there's absolutely no issue on that basically.
I'm sorry for this problem, sir, but it was not in my hand, frankly speaking.
नहीं, नो इशू. अभी मोर इम्पोर्टेंट इशू ये है कि आपके सराफ जी जो है वो भाग लिए हैं और जो आपके विनोद कुमार जी हैं वो उन्होंने इस कॉन्फ्रेंस को अवॉइड किया है. So that is the issue. What I feel that it is a time that we can discuss about. Anupama ji, nice that you
Yes.
have. Yeah.
Sir, they have raised the concerns to which you have replied, sir, because now ADG sir is not able to get connected. So
What I really feel, let there be a video recording on the each and every point. It cannot be a sheer pleasure or convincing anybody. It is just question of talking logic. At present, it is a undisputed fact. Reporting FIR is becoming day by day challenging, and it has become a matter of celebration if your FIR could get registered. And as you know, you, me, and everybody is being approached day in and day out for getting FIR launched.
sir, in this, sir, both the members have given what their concerns were, to which you have replied, sir. Now, after this, sir, what do you propose?
I propose that we can discuss threadware and what the VP and R&D feels about it. To what extent you are convinced about their and to what extent you feel that there's a need to support investigation of the police. My जो है submission is very simple. Government of India is having constitutional responsibility. It is not driven by a pleasure doctrine, which very categorically says that creation of institution and formation and agencies for scientific and technical assistance in investigation and detection of crime. Now, this is the constitutional responsibility which has been given to the government of India, and it is an exclusive responsibility because it falls in list 1, right? My proposal is very simple that BP and R&D should push this proposal forward, because it will be transforming this nation. It will be transforming the policing of this nation. It will take away the pleasure doctrine. It will provide the much needed right to the citizen.
So, sir, in this,
मैं आपको बार बार जो है ना मिस्टर मेहरा का प्रोजेक्ट का केस कहता हूँ. He and his other officers who are responsible, they are sending the case to the Thana under their signature along with the property of offense and offender, and only 8% cases are registered. I would like to ask from you and from everybody, एसपी को या थानेदार को इतना पावर किसने दे दिया है कि he can ignore whatever he want? Is it a rule of law and there is a need of assistance under entry 65C or not? I am very seriously contemplating whether I have made a draft bill also. I am trying to really refine it, and I have named it, and it is being drafted under entry 65C list 1 of schedule 7 of our constitution, and it is the National Authority for Scientific and Technical Assistance in Investigation and Detection of Crime. That is the name I've given. And there will be sister state level agencies also, and it will be right on the format of national commission and national authorities, so that whatever the responsibility has been given to the center should be in position to discharge that responsibility. अभी स्थिति ये आ रही है कि जिसका जो दिल कर रहा है वो कर रहा है. रूल ऑफ लॉ इज ओनली ऑन इन बुक, एकेडमिक है. ग्राउंड पे देयर इज नो रूल ऑफ लॉ. एफआईआर लिखी नहीं जा रही हैं, इन्वेस्टिगेशन ठीक ढंग से हो नहीं रहा है. जनता जो है ना रोती है और खुद जाके बताती है कि भाई साहब इतना कर लो. हमारा जो है ना इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर उतना भी करने के लिए तैयार नहीं है. हमारा सुपरविजन ऑलमोस्ट जीरो हो चुका है. एज ए एसपी हम भी जो है ना वही छोटी मोटा काम वही करते थे कि बताइए अब तक गिरफ्तारी क्यों नहीं हुई, अब तक चालान क्यों नहीं हुआ. Who is talking about the nut and bolts? Who is talking about the quality of investigation? I would like to I would like it to the on record that after the discussion with DG BPN and R&D, I have floated 12 जो है Smart India Hackathon statement, and the prelim round has already taken place, in which 250 engineering college of the national repute, including IITs, they had participated. Now 65 of them they have been selected. The final round that is on from 18th to 22nd of July. So what I am saying, it is a call on the nation, and especially to BPR&D also. Even the VP-R&D has been created under the same 65C. So what I feel, it is a responsibility of the central government. Central government should come properly. That rule of law must prevail in India. If some chief minister or anybody is not complying with it, should it not be treated as a failure of constitutional machinery? And should जो है ना government of India or parliament should not consider of invoking 356.
Sir, I fully agree, sir. And today, Umesh Saraf sir has raised his concerns, to which you have replied. So, sir, I would request, based on this meeting, could you send a final feedback on what all you have to say on all these points, sir, after today's meeting? If we could get a feedback from your side, sir.
Okay. So Devabrata, you wanted to say something? Yeah, please.
Ma'am, may I add what Mr. T.K. Vinod has conveyed in the last conversation, ma'am?
Okay, please.
Sir, I mean, he has conveyed that if the budget aspect is not involved immediately, then BPR&D is in a position to take its own decision on the recommendation which he has said. And he has requested you, sir, that, I mean, his views are with you. I mean, you can moderate them and you can take them, you can take the necessary cue and modify the way you want. This is what he has said, sir.
Okay. So basically, for the sake of record, I would like to read one point by point, and I would like to reply once again, so that let it remain on the video record also what I am trying to say. What I say, what we are doing here, it is a very exclusive responsibility of Government of India under entry 65C, list 1, schedule 7 of Constitution, which bestows this responsibility on Government of India to do everything and help out the state government in providing the scientific and technical assistance in investigation and detection of crime. It is a very big responsibility, and we must be ready to shoulder it. That is my humble submission about it. So I would like to stress upon that we can read one point, and then we can really give reply, so that everything should be on record, and then BPR&D can take our internal meeting, or again can take a meeting.
Sir, I would request you for a report on the basis of this meeting, sir, on which then BPR&D will take a final call.
What I tend to say, I have already given a report. Let me reread it and let me give my feedback on video to you, and then I will send a formal text report also. There is absolutely no issue. But what I intend to say, that it is very important that a call should be taken. Let's take it this as an opportunity to establish rule of law. I am having very serious concern. Are we really having rule of law? I am having very serious doubt about it. And you will agree, because say I had been in this service for 36 years, and so it's true. I mean, a fairly large period has been spent by you. So, for example, let's say I will read one by one, and I will try it so that let it be on record. He has said, project envisage use number of the technology. Many of these forensic technology are already in use with varying capacity by different police agencies. Some these agencies are still evolving and are of dubious scientific validity. As on date, instance face recognition technology has been shown to have both very high false negative, very high false positive. Some policies, some police forces internationally have already stopped using facial recognition. If a few success stories have been used in India to justify humongous investment in CCTV and related expenditure in the use of this technology. However, they are a good example of availability bias. Now, my point is this, that we are saying it is a holistic support to the citizen so that they can report the matter. We are in a limited way, everybody is trying to do that. I am saying, why in limited way? Let it go in a comprehensive way. Say UP has tried, if it is against the person, anonymous report, it can be lodged through their web portal, and even that is not really putting the signature, and the signature of SHO is also not coming that. So it is not a legally accepted FIR, though they are trying to say it is FIR. I am saying technology is allowing it, that all content in a better way could come on record, and even for bringing that on record, we can use chat box, we can use other technology to help that out. Similarly, we can use the community to do this job. If we make use of the community for this purpose, it will be a great thing, because police has been envisaged in the law as a very big agency. A statement made to the police officer and an investigating officer, they are not signed, and they can only be used for the contradiction. तो आपसे अच्छा तो जो है ना वो पान ठेले वाला है कि जिसका स्टेटमेंट एडमिसिबल है. Number one. Number two, the confession made to the police officer, that is not admissible under Section 25 of Evidence Act. There is a little window in Section 27 of Evidence Act. Now, this is if we involve community. Let's say what I am planning, and we are already really developing hardware and software. So basically, I am not limiting. I am more behaving like a scientist. I am developing modules. I have developed many modules, and it is not given by any company. Now, even I am in process of developing hardwares. Now, I am in a process of developing forensic technology tools. I am in process of involving how the drone technology can be used for taking the photography in scene of crime. हमारा थानेदार तो नहीं कर पाता है, हर स्थान पे जो है ना फोटोग्राफी वो भी नहीं होता है. So why we cannot involve a startup who can take photographs, they can be stitched together, they can be converted into 2D and 3D photography, and then जो है it can look for the articles and things which are not visible through open eye. हमारा जो है ना बेचारा हवलदार जो है ना जो उतना पढ़ा लिखा भी नहीं है, उसको टेक्नोलॉजी को भी नहीं समझता है, जिसके पास तमाम प्रेशर हैं, हम उसको टेक्नोलॉजी का एक अवैधान क्यों नहीं देना चाहते हैं जिसमें अवर क्वालिटी ऑफ एविडेंस विल इंक्रीज. अब जैसे अज्यूम करिए कि एक गांव की गवाड़ी महिला जो है उसको FIR लिखाना है, और उसके गांव में जगह जगह पे इंपॉर्टेंट जगह पे IoT डिवाइस लगे हुए हैं जिसमें कैमरा फिटेड है, और वो महिला को सिर्फ एक बटन दबाना है. अब मान लो उसने बटन दबाया और मैसेज चला गया, उसका जो कुछ भी वो कैमरे से कहना चाहती उसने कह भी दिया. नाउ दैट हैज रीच्ड टू द सिस्टम ने आइडेंटिफाई किया कि बगल में कौन सा कम्युनिटी वॉलंटियर है. Now, community volunteer with his app is reaching on the spot and helping out to record FIR. He is also helping out to put his signature. He would be in position to basically take his photograph, and photograph will also be logged. Photograph will become a signature in itself, because that photograph will be taken through the app. It is not uploaded photograph, and it will be immediately logged with the technology, with the date, time, and location stamp. Now, on the top of it, he will put his normal signature, that is on OCR. On उस पे जो है आजकल सीधे उस पे भी कर सकते हैं, और we can have a attached device whatever way. Otherwise, the screen of smartphone can be used for putting signature. So even when this lady is not having any mobile phone or smartphone, community.
Sir, it is not audio. Audio is
नहीं
not
नहीं नहीं, मैं
receiving.
शांत हूँ. मैं I wanted Anupama to finish her talk so that I can start.
Yes, sorry for the interruption, sir. Actually, we have to
No,
prepare for
no,
that
no issue, no
presentation.
issue, no issue. I
Yes,
was
sir.
just waiting because I wanted you to hear what I am trying to say. So now a poor lady who is not having any camera, just by pressing button, एक community वाला पहुंच रहा है, who is a properly trained volunteer, and backend technology पूरी FIR को extract कर रही है. Now उसके साथ ही he can become the witness to the physical and uh, emotional status of complainant. He can जो है ना take even photograph of injuries, and this app जो है ना is being empowered with all kind of the technology, so it can even record the depth of injury. It can record the size of injury. It can make the difference between the lacerated wound and cut wound. Now these things will be packed and would be available to the medical officer. So even the
सर
better,
जो स्पेसिफिक
better
कंसर्न्स आए सर दोनों ऑफिसर्स ने, तो उसमें
uh-huh.
morality के against these are the specific things that you're
Yeah,
saying.
I'm talking
Concern
very,
which
very I am saying कि it is not जो वो हो रहा है वैसा नहीं है. It is altogether a
तो
full
सर ये
package.
स्पेसिफिसिटी जो सर स्पेसिफिसिटीज आप बता रहे हैं सर, उसको अगर आप रिपोर्ट में भेज देंगे बीपीआरएनडी, देन विल टेक अ कंसिडर्ड व्यू ऑन दैट सर.
So I am saying let me take this opportunity to elaborate face to face, and then I will send it through my मतलब a proper text letter also. I mean, there's absolutely no issue. But I want to say take your time, because I really want to bring it on record what I said, because I will be sending this video also to you, right?
Sir,
So
because we have to prepare a presentation also, sir. So we have an internal meeting also, sir.
Okay. So what do you suggest? What precisely I am saying? Whatever he is saying, his comments are circumstantial. They are lacking in depth. They are lacking in analysis. They are just a comment for the sake of comment. पहला कमेंट में भी कि बहुत सारी टेक्नोलॉजी हम यूज कर रहे हैं. अभी हमने एक एक करके आपको बता दिया, कोई भी चीज टेक्नोलॉजी ठीक ढंग से यूज नहीं हो रही है, FIR लिखी नहीं जा रही है. इवन जहां फरियादी जाके कहता है कि साहब मेरा बगल में CCTV लगा था, उसमें जो है ना हो सकता है कि अपराधी आया होगा, हम उसकी CCTV की रिपोर्ट भी नहीं लेते हैं. तो दैट इज द सिचुएशन. अब आप ये कह रहे हैं कि साहब यदि IOs को जो है ना एक मोबाइल डिवाइस लोडेड प्रोवाइड करना है तो DBMS क्यों चाहिए? तो जो हिस्टोरिकल डाटा की एनालिसिस कौन करेगा? हिस्टोरिकल डाटा की एनालिसिस तो आपका ना CCTNS कर रहा है, ना कोई कर रहा है. सो व्हाई वी शुड नॉट एनालाइज कि साहब हॉटस्पॉट्स क्या हैं, व्हाई वी शुड नॉट एनालाइज कि साहब क्राइम जोन्स क्या हैं, एंड देन लिंकेजेस बिटवीन देम कुड बी कलेक्टेड. We can even have CCTVs, and we can have the IoT devices fitted around the criminal
Sir,
cluster.
I would request you, sir, whatever you're saying, if you could send it in the written form, sir, then we could take these things forward.
I will redo it. I have already done in a way, but certainly I will do. But I was trying to say that something should come on record through the video also, because then the text format will also follow. Third, it says the complexity of investigation being under state list appears to be difficult. उसी जिस लिस्ट की बातें कर रहे हैं उसी में लिस्ट बन भी है जो कह रही है कि ये सपोर्ट करने की जिम्मेवारी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की है. फिर ये कह रहे हैं कि साहब ये बड़ी डिफिकल्ट वाली बात है, जुडिशरी मानेगी कि नहीं मानेगी. सो वी आर सेइंग कि आप उनसे कोई एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं मांग रहे हैं, आप उनसे उनका डाटाबेस नहीं मांग रहे हो. आपकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन लीड से जो इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, जो आप आज भी मांग रहे हो, वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन विल बी आस्क्ड लिटिल मोर होलिस्टिकली, मेकिंग यूज ऑफ द 91 CRPC. तो आपका ये कहना कि साहब जुडिशरी मानेगी, ये मानेगा कि वो नहीं मानेगा, इट वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ द लॉ, वी आर एक्सरसाइजिंग द पावर ऑफ SHO. तो किसी के मानने ना मानने का सवाल ही नहीं उठता है. तो देखा जाए तो इनके चारों सवालों का जवाब हो गया है. मैं क्विकली जो है आई विल गिव द रिप्लाई ऑफ एंड देन आई विल सेंड इट इन द
Mr. Vinod
टेक्स्ट.
Kumar.
I will send it in text format also, madam. I will Anupama ji,
Yes.
2 minutes more. Vinod Kumar says the project is very broad. So India जैसे उसमें जब when you are covering right up to the certainty of rehabilitation of criminal, which is never thought of in this format, it has to be broad. And when you are talking of crime-free India, unless you are broad, you are having all kind of the coverage, you cannot make your country crime free. Whether it can be made crime free with this broad approach, that is also questionable. And let me tell you, in beginning, only the people where they are having schemes, they are having rent seeking behavior, those will be controlled. Still for some time, the reactionary crime will not be controlled. Why there is a mobocracy? Why there is the mob lynching? Mob lynching is a reflection that people are lacking faith in our institution. तो क्या इससे मॉब लिंचिंग जो है ना, इससे क्या
Yes,
मॉब लिंचिंग रुक जाएगी? मॉब लिंचिंग रुकने के लिए हमें वो आस्था इस्टेब्लिश करना पड़ेगी. जब ये सिस्टम 2-3 साल चलेगा, तब शायद मॉब लिंचिंग जो है ना रुकेगी. जब लोगों को लगेगा नहीं, हमें रिपोर्ट करने से तत्काल हमारी रिपोर्ट पे कार्रवाई होती है, तत्काल अपराधी गिरफ्तार होगा, तत्काल उसमें चालान होगा और इतने साक्ष्य उसमें जाएंगे कि कन्विक्शन इज ए सर्टेनिटी. तो आई थिंक द फर्स्ट पॉइंट दैट के इसमें बहुत ज्यादा ब्रॉड है. इट हैज टू बी ब्रॉड. इफ इट इज नॉट ब्रॉड, it cannot really cover whole thing, because we are claiming by doing so we would be in position to make our country crime free. In para D, researcher proposed to use a wide variety of the technology AI to data mining, and he says कि data जो है ना, he is having authority to do it or not. तो मुझे अथॉरिटी की जरूरत नहीं है. I am जो है ना at the moment supervising more than 40 universities and institute, and ये काम छोटे छोटे मॉड्यूलों में बना के वो टेक्नोलॉजी ऑलरेडी मैन्युफैक्चर हो गई है या कुछ मैन्युफैक्चर हो रही है, इंक्लूडिंग साइबर क्राइम इन्वेस्टिगेशन, इंक्लूडिंग साइबर सिक्योरिटी. Yesterday only I have taken a review session of cyber security, and I think that will be reloaded by say tomorrow or so. I will share my this because whatever I am doing now, it is on live YouTube channel. So I will request the team of the BPR R&D to please go through what we are doing. We are in very advanced stage of developing technology, and this technology we are developing. So the person saying कि साहब इन्हें खुद ही मालूम है, अब मालूम नहीं, विनोद कुमार जी अपनी बात कर रहे हैं, because इतने समझ में आ नहीं रहा है कि he says के whether he himself does have an idea. So I will request that BPR&D should I will just share the link. It is available on YouTube. Every day I am making review of the project and modules which are undergoing under various ministry, and you will be pleased to see कि बच्चे कितना बड़ा काम कर रहे हैं. वैसा कोई भी फर्म नहीं कर पा रही है. जितनी भी फर्में हैं बहुत छोटा काम कर रही हैं. हमारे ये छोटे छोटे बच्चे बहुत बड़ा काम कर रहे हैं, and that you can see for yourself, and you can see and appreciate by viewing that channel, and it is available on open. It is available on YouTube. I have launched a channel, Crime Free Bharat. I request you, I will share the link, and I will request you to kindly see a few videos. And
sure,
now even I am reviewing the project through open channel only, because I want world to make believe कि ऐसा भी सोचा जा सकता है, ऐसा भी किया जा सकता है. हम लोग जो है अपने जो है ना थानेदार को तो ठीक ढंग से सुपरवाइज नहीं कर रहे हैं, एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू से कि साहब सब कुछ तो हो रहा है, इसके लिए इतना महंगा क्या है? क्या महंगा है? हमने तो आपसे 5 पैसे भी नहीं मांगे. यदि मैं अपनी औकात पे इसको पैदा कर सकता हूं और ये गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, तो भाई शुड नॉट हैपन. आई हैव इवन क्रिएटेड ए लीगल ड्राफ्ट फॉर नेशनल अथॉरिटी for scientific and technical assistance in investigation and detection of crime, and it is exactly the same phrasing which has been given in entry 65C. And let me tell you, even your BPR R&D has also came in existence making use of the same entry 65C.
So you may please share the link on YouTube.
I will do just now. I will just let me cover his another point. The para E, the author proposes to requisition data from a slew of sources. Telecom, this, that. How he can police requisition such data? क्या विनोद कुमार जी को ये नहीं मालूम है कि उनकी पुलिस दिन और रात इन डाटा को रिक्विजिशन कर रही है अंडर 91, और ये सब डाटा उनको रोज अवेलेबल हो रहे हैं, और वो खुद जो है ना DIG, IG और एडिशनल DG इंटेलिजेंस रहे हैं, उनके पास ऐसे रोज डाटा जो है ना सैकड़ों आते होंगे. इट इज वेरी पिटी इफ ही जो है ना सेज दिस वे, एंड ही शुड नो हिज लीगल पावर. एंड ही मस्ट आल्सो नो कि यदि 91 के आदेश का पालन नहीं किया जाता है तो पुलिस कैन कंडक्ट द सर्च ऑफ द बिल्डिंग एंड कैन फिजिकली टेक इन पोजेशन ऑफ द थिंग्स. तो पुलिस इतनी वीक नहीं है, उसको हमने वीक बना के रखा है. यदि 91 के आदेश का कंप्लायंस नहीं किया जाता है तो नेक्स्ट जो है ना ऑप्शन टू द पुलिस, इट कैन रेड प्रीमिसेस and it can physically capture the devices in which the data is sitting. Police is having such a wide power under law, and it is a high time that we must make use of it. Then it says the research mission proposed is very poorly conceived. I am saying it is not a research mission. It is a simple things which we are doing day in and day out. It is just trying to help out your IO, trying to help out your citizen with the technology to do the job which they are doing, do the job more smartly. That's why when I am saying ki criminal would not have the option to commit crime, I am saying another slogan also. Police will not be having option to do less smart or poor investigation. So these apps would be helping police officer to do very smart job. Including it will help in requisitioning also, because it can read over lot many things, and it can fill the gap also. I am not leaving to the police officer an investigation also. Each evidence, I am very much stressing on the privacy of the citizen. You and me are aware about it. Now the FIR and other evidences, they are falling in the hand of defense lawyer and other people, and very sensitive data is landing in their hand through our lower functionaries. I am saying that when policeman is not having really right kind of the skill set to look at the data, आपने कभी चालान में भी देखा होगा कि वो जो ना सिपाही ने रोका हुआ है और दस्तावेज मांगा है और दस्तावेज को उल्टा पकड़े हुए हैं. मतलब हम ऐसी पुलिस हमारे पास है जो कि आरटीओ के डॉक्यूमेंट्स को सीधा पढ़ने की क्षमता भी नहीं रखते हैं. वो कई बार जो ना ड्राइवर कहता है कि जो ना सर आप जो ना हमारा डॉक्यूमेंट उल्टे पकड़े हुए हैं. So what I am trying to say that let's try to help our police to do a smart job using technology. That is my humble submission. And then
Yes, kindly, we'll wait for your report, sir.
just a minute अनुपमा, मुझे थोड़ा सा
Yes.
प्राइवेसी के बारे में थोड़ा सा कह लेने दीजिए. This mission जो है is also helping the citizen in improving their privacy. So what we are saying, that data which is requisitioned, it will be analyzed, and if it is having evidence value, it will be immediately packaged with the 3 certificates: certificate of integrity, certificate of admissibility, certificate of chain of custody. I am saying that there may be very advanced tools available to do hanky panky, like deep fake. Deep fake में आपका चेहरा बदल के और मेरा चेहरा बदल के किसी दूसरे का चेहरा लगाया जा सकता है कुछ. And now the deep fake is very very powerful, but there will be no opportunity to use deep fake. So उसमें कोई मक्कारी या बदमाशी करने का अवसर नहीं बचेगा. Even if the technology is possible to do मक्कारी, that मक्कारी would not be doable. That's why the moment we are capturing evidence, we are not uploading evidence, we are capturing evidence, number one. Number two, that is immediately encrypted, that is immediately tagged with the date and time and location stamp, and it will be moved through the blockchain technology. If you know, the blockchain technology is a very very advanced tool which do not allow any leakage, no hanky panky, no manipulation by anybody. Now why we should जो है ना bother our police officer to understand everything कि CDR का क्या होता है, analysis कैसे करें. अरे वो एनालिसिस करके उसके सामने उसको समझने वाली भाषा में यदि हम इन्वेस्टिगेशन लीड उसके पास भेजते हैं एंड उसके नीचे कंप्लायंस मॉड्यूल भी लगा देते हैं, और यदि कंप्लायंस में गड़बड़ होती तो हम एक परफॉर्मेंस इंडेक्स भी उसमें डाल देते हैं, देन प्रोबब्ली वी विल हैव ए मोर अकाउंटेबल एंड बेटर पुलिस. So we are saying that we have already created many investigation app, and because we divided the whole responsibility in thousands, and then at the end they will be integrated under one roof. And we are considering of even how to employ the drone photography, how to employ the UR photography, how to employ IR photography. Somebody has to think out of the box. I am saying in future it will not be open to the court to acquit somebody. because we will be putting so much of the evidence that it will be very fast disposal of the crime and disposal of the cases, and majority will be resulting in conviction also. With that,
Yes, sir. We definitely we hope that should happen
yeah, just a
when
minute.
we apply these technologies.
And then what we are trying to say कि पुलिस हमेशा बाद में पहुंचती है. यदि हमारे पास जो है ना ड्यूरिंग इन्वेस्टिगेशन इतना हिस्टोरिकल डाटा है, if we analyze that historical data appropriately, we would be in position to deploy our force more dynamically. Then किसी ने कहा कि साहब आपके पास इतनी फोर्स है कि जो आप सभी जगह डिप्लॉय करके रोक लेंगे क्राइम को. So I said no, I am having 130 crore population, those who will be connected as a community volunteers. तो जहां हमारे पास पुलिस नहीं होगी, हम वहां पे community volunteers को वहां पुश कर सकते हैं, and we can have some kind of remunerative package for them. So it will become a kind of a earning opportunity also for them. Now,
Sir, we look forward to the report, sir, but I need to intervene, sir. If we could now wind up with the meeting. And,
I will just
request
take
you to send the
just a minute. Whether I have answered all questions or not, I think both the paper has been disposed of. So I will just cover that force will be deployed dynamically and proactively. So not only question of registration and detection, probably we would be in position to prevent crime before they could take place. अब इसके बाद भी सवाल उठता है कि क्या इससे क्राइम फ्री भारत हो जाएगा? बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. यदि मेरा भूखा पेट है तो हम जो है ना जेल जाने के लिए क्राइम करेंगे, क्योंकि जेल जाएंगे तो छत मिलेगी, खाना मिलेगा. आजकल तो बड़ा अच्छा है, योगा वोगा भी है, टीवी भी है, तो बड़ा अच्छा है. तो पीपल देन विल कमिट द क्राइम यदि वो खाली पेट होंगे टू गो टू जेल. So we have to consider the last, that is equally important, certainty of rehabilitation of criminal. So the crowd should not be available to commit crime. And this is precisely we are saying that this is a 5-point package which can really help our country to transform, and probably we would be in position to make our country crime free. Majority of the modules has been developed by me, including cyber crime investigation and cyber and it will come free to the country, because I am officer of country. Whatever I am doing, that is asset of country. So I am not having anything. So it will come virtually free. It is not being given by any company. It is being created under my supervision. So I will share that address of Crime Free Bharat, or otherwise also you can search Crime Free Bharat on YouTube channel, and you will come over there, and there will be n number of things you will see. Session I am taking with the universities and institutes.
We'll access the link, sir, Crime Free Bharat, and
So,
I request you to send the report, so then we can take this project.
Yeah. So I will be sending this report to you. I will be sending the video also of this conversation.
Fine,
And so that I feel that it is really responsibility of the government of India. It cannot be governed by shallow comment by anybody. There should be inbuilt analysis. If required, that let experts should be called. I will be there to reply. If required, my student can make a presentation also what they have already done. We have completed almost 80% odd journey. We are looking for a support. For your information, I have sent a mail to your DG BPRND that to give that reward money which has to be given for the Smart India Hackathon. Because after discussion, we floated 12 projects which are the part of the Crime Free Bharat. So,
sir, we'll put our for the DG's approval, sir. Then we'll communicate.
Yeah, we will certainly do that. So, let me thanks DG BPRND. Let me thank you, additional DG BPRND, though for technical reason he could not join. And I sincerely convey my appreciation and thanks to you and to the Devbrat. And I convey thanks to Mr. Umesh Saraf as well as Mr. Vinod Kumar and GP Singh also for their contribution. Howsoever the shallow their remark might be, but it gave me little more opportunity to elaborate on that point.
Thank you very much, sir.
Right. Thanks a lot, and let's conclude.
And I also thank Umesh Saraf, sir, also, although he has disconnected, but I thank you and your team for being present here, sir. And I would request you to send the report based on this meeting at the earliest as per your convenience, sir.
I will do that. Thank you very much. Regards.
Thank you very much, sir. Good day to you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Good day, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.